How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide on that, which should be pretty easy. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. Start by opening up YouTube on your device for that. And once we open up YouTube, we may head over to our profile in the bottom right corner, tap on it in order to access our profile. Now from here, what we need to do is look out for the settings option, usually in the top right corner, tap on it and access our settings. And within here, we just need to go over and look out for the option for general, where the very first option under account menu. So tap on it and there will be finding option for restricted mode. So restricted mode is something that helps us to hide potentially mature videos, and it's not 100% accurate, but only applies to the app on this device. So turn it on like this, and if it is turned on, in order to turn it off, you just need to follow this step and tap on it in order to turn it off, and the restricted mode will be turned off, and you can just go and access the video that you're trying to look without having the restricted mode on your YouTube. Yeah, and that's it everybody. You may follow up this process for that, which should be pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.